Boost your English vocabulary. Learn 100 essential idioms. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Grammar with Alta. Today's video is going to be very helpful for all English learners because we are going to learn 100 essential idioms that are used in everyday English.
That's right. Idioms are a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. In this video, we'll explain each idiom with a short and simple example to help you remember and use them easily.
Let's start with the first set of idioms. Idiom number 1 is break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social setting. Example: to break the ice at the party, John told a funny story.
Number 2 is hit the nail on the head. It means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example: when you said the internet is slow because of the router, you hit the nail on the head.
Number 3, let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret. Example: he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Number 4, once in a blue moon, something that happens very rarely. Example: I eat fast food only once in a blue moon.
Number 5, bite the bullet. To do something difficult or unpleasant that one has been putting off. Example: I had to bite the bullet and visit the dentist.
Number 6, under the weather. It means feeling sick. Example: she didn't come to work today because she's feeling under the weather.
Number 7, cost an arm and a leg. It means something is very expensive. Example: that new phone costs an arm and a leg.
Number 8, spill the beans. It also means to reveal a secret. Example: don't spill the beans about our vacation plans.
Number 9, kick the bucket. It means to die, usually used in a light or humorous way. Example: the old man kicked the bucket at the age of 95.
Number 10, back to the drawing board. It means to start again after a failure. Example: our plan didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board.
Let's now quickly go through more useful idioms with short examples. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. Example: she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. A blessing in disguise. Something good that seems bad at first. Example: losing that job was a blessing in disguise. Piece of cake, something very easy. Example: this homework is a piece of cake. Hit the sack to go to bed. Example: I'm so tired. I need to hit the sack. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility. Example: I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court.
16, let sleeping dogs lie. Don't bring up old problems. Example: don't mention the argument again. Let sleeping dogs lie. Burn bridges. Destroy relationships or opportunities. Example: he burned his bridges with the manager by arguing. Throw in the towel, to give up. Example: after many attempts, she finally threw in the towel. Cry over spilled milk. Don't waste time being upset over something you can't change. Example: it's gone now, no use crying over spilled milk. Bend over backwards, to try very hard to please someone. Example: she bent over backwards to help her students.
Now let's speed things up and continue learning more idioms. Add fuel to the fire. A dime a dozen. Barking up the wrong tree. Beat around the bush. Call it a day. Cut corners. Go the extra mile. In hot water. Jump on the bandwagon. Keep an eye on.
31. Let someone off the hook. 32. Miss the boat. 33. Not playing with a full deck. 34. Pull yourself together. 35. Put all your eggs in one basket. 36. Raining cats and dogs. 37. See eye to eye. 38. Sit on the fence. 39. Steal someone's thunder. 40. Take with a grain of salt.
41. The best of both worlds. 42. The early bird catches the worm. 43. Think outside the box. 44. Through thick and thin. 45. Time flies. 46. Up in the air. 47. When pigs fly. 48. You can't judge a book by its cover. 49. A storm in a teacup. 50. Actions speak louder than words.
51. All ears. 52. Break a leg. 53. Cold feet. 54. Cutting edge. 55. Down to earth. 56. Face the music. 57. Get cold feet. 58. Hit the books. 59. Keep your chin up. 60. Leave no stone unturned.
61. Make a long story short. 62. On cloud 9. 63. Pulling your leg. 64. Read between the lines. 65. Ring a bell. 66. Run out of steam. 67. Shape up or ship out. 68. Sitting pretty. 69. Snowed under. 70. The whole 9 yards.
Think on your feet. 70. Do. Tie the knot. 73. Twist someone's arm. 74. Walk on air. 75. Water under the bridge. 76. Wearing many hats. 77. Your guess is as good as mine. 78. A shot in the dark. 79. Bite off more than you can chew. 80. Between a rock and a hard place.
81. Butterflies in my stomach. 82. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 83. Fish out of water. 84. Give someone the cold shoulder. 85. Have a change of heart. 86. In the same boat. 87. Know the ropes. 88. Not my cup of tea. 89. On the same page. 90. Pull the plug.
91. A penny for your thoughts. 92. Break the bank. 93. Caught between two stools. 94. Devil's advocate. 95. Every cloud has a silver lining. 96. Go down in flames. 97. Hit the road. 98. In the blink of an eye. 99. Keep your fingers crossed. 100. Let the dust settle.
Wow, that was a full list of 100 idioms. We hope you found them useful and easy to understand.
Remember, using idioms in your daily conversations will make your English more natural and fluent. Try to learn a few each day and practice them while speaking.
So today we learned 100 essential idioms that are commonly used in English speaking and writing. These idioms will help you boost your vocabulary and fluency.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more helpful lessons.
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing in English. Goodbye.